Welcome back, top performer. When director M. Night Shyamalan made The Sixth Sense, he made $1 million. While that's nothing to sneeze about, this equated to $500,000 for his screenplay and another $500,000 for directing. The movie went on to be a huge hit, making well over $1 billion in today's dollars. It was such a big hit that he got paid $10 million for his next project, Unbreakable. That's a 10 times increase. While I know those dollars aren't obtainable in most industries, the lesson stands. Shyamalan was able to get a huge payday because his achievements from his previous movie proved he was a hitmaker and made him in demand. Everyone wanted his next script and a bidding war broke out. This was made possible because of the success of his movie that proved he was ready for the next level. Those who win promotions and raises consistently are those who prove themselves ready for the next level. The value they bring is one level above their pay grade. I want to reinforce that because it's a problem that I see most average employers struggle with. They ask for a promotion or raise because they feel they've earned it based on taking on more responsibilities that barely increase their value. While there's still a small chance that you can get a few extra dollars out of it, you are not going to maximize your earnings, and it's not going to land you a promotion if that's your goal. If you want to maximize your earnings, it's not just about taking on a few new tasks. It's about operating as if you are already at the next level. Everything you have learned in this program thus far is meant to position you for that next level. Your mindset, your long-term and next level goal, your action plan for skill development, fostering stronger relationships, identifying the right influencers to get in your corner, understanding your market rate, increasing your value, exposing your work. At this stage, you've likely identified some gaps that you intend to close to better position yourself. Or you feel confident in your ability to move forward and ask for the promotion or raise already. Regardless of which stage you're in, you want to prepare your promotion pitch, which is basically your business case or proof of success. Ultimately, making money comes down to capturing a percentage of the value that you bring to other people. A salesperson who can close more or bigger sales can make more money because they bring more value. A product manager who consistently builds amazing products and anticipates market change can get paid more because they provide more value. A leader who can motivate a team to over-deliver on goals can get paid more. Or a film director who can deliver a movie that is critically acclaimed and generates billions at the box office can get paid more because of the value. Notice I said can and not will. That's because even people adding tremendous value aren't immune to the need to negotiate. If we had to break this down into a formula, it would look like this. Your value plus your ability to negotiate over how difficult it is to replace you. The scarcity factor. Value itself is a combination of the value you bring to your relationships, which requires strong EQ and networking skills, plus not adding unnecessary friction. The value of your impact, or ROI, which requires you to leverage your PIQ to get noticed. Your ability to negotiate is a combination of preparation, your market value data, proof of success, which equates to a summary of your value, the right sponsors in your corner, the timing or scheduling of the meeting, the right conversation, and the difficulty to replace you comes down to how many others are there like you in the organization or in the industry. It's the scarcity factor. Supply and demand working to help you earn more, assuming people like you are in low supply and high demand. An average employee is not scarce because 80 to 90% of an organization is made up of them. But a top performer is scarce since there is only about 10% in every organization. Remember, you want to maximize leverage in these conversations, and that comes from not needing the other person. This is why having such a strong value case and the right network allows you to be more firm in your negotiations. Absent that, your employer may have the leverage. Over the next videos, we're going to focus on the negotiation side of this formula and make sure you have all the scripts, templates, and prep to position yourself for the win. Oh, and to keep our Sixth Sense theme alive, while M. Night got paid $1 million, the star of the movie was Bruce Willis. At the time, he was part of the $20 million per movie club, but was asked to take a reduction due to the budget on this movie being low. He took a paltry $14 million, but only if the studio agreed to give him 17% of the movie's global box office gross and additional rights to the film's home video sales. And because nobody expected the movie to be a big hit, they agreed. That negotiation earned Bruce almost $114 million, or nearly $200 million as of 2023. While you and I may not be negotiating terms of that size, the lessons are the same. Be a top performer, adding lots of value, and coming from a strong negotiation position. If it's difficult to replace you, you will be more likely to get your own outsized offers. There are no specific actions in this video, but I will see you in the next video where we're going to discuss a specific conversation for you and your situation. I'll see you there.